Good day, everybody. I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. We'll read out of John 14, verse 21 this day, out of the Amplified Translation. It says, "The person who has my commandments and keeps them is the one who really loves me. And whoever really loves me will be loved by my Father. And I too will love him and will show," it means reveal, manifest myself to him. "I will let myself be clearly seen by him and make myself real to him." This is very important. This is a message of love. And God actually gives us the key, how to walk in the fullness of him, how to see him manifest. And it says, "The one who obeys my commandments loves me." And when I spoke to the Lord this morning about his commandments and about love, he said, "Remember, my commandments, my instructions are aligned to my character, my nature, my image. They align to my desires and they align to my will. That's why I gave them to man." He gave man the secrets, the mysteries in his commandments. He gave us the keys, how to unlock the greatness of him and the promises of him in our lives. And what I love here, if we keep it, he will manifest himself. So people, what a greater key do we ever want? He said, "Love me, keep my commandments, and I will make myself known and seen." And there's in so many of us, the greatest desire is to reveal him, to manifest as he is in the heavens, as he is in the fullness of his glory, because that is our portion. That is what he has appointed us. So what I see needs to happen, we need to really step into love and really step into his commandments and really get the blessing of the commandments. The commandments are not there just to control us or to judge us. Commandments are there for us, that God gave them to us to unlock the fullness of him in our lives, to be a blessing and to be the true revelation of him. And I truly believe when we are really going to step into that commandments and into his love, we're going to unlock the goodness of God, the glory of God all over the earth. He's going to get known. He's going to be revealed in ways never seen before. And we will start a love revolution all over the earth, a desire for him never seen before. So let's lay down ourselves. Let's step into humility and let's align our lives to his commandments. Let us become the commandments, the character, the nature, the image, the desires of Yahweh here on the earth. I bless you with that.